We are looking outside at all of the clouds that have moved in throughout the morning hours, and we've got that deck of clouds now sitting on top of us. So our temperatures probably are not going to get to be as warm as we had predicted earlier today because of all of the clouds. Not a whole lot in the way of rainfall yet, but we still have some showers that we are expecting to come in a little bit later on. We've got a 40% chance of showers developing throughout the afternoon hours. So right now you can see the rains. They're located on the east coast of Florida. They're just to the west of I-95 and they're crossing over Lake Okeechobee. Everything is moving in our direction. They kind of fall apart once they get over the central part of the state. Do you see that? As they start to come on through, then they start to just dissipate just a little bit. But this whole group right here seems to be holding together very well, and we are also looking at some thunderstorms now developing at the same time. So eventually these showers are going to be moving into our area, and we are expecting to see some rains coming on through. We've already had some very light rains rapidly moving through the region, and the reason they're moving so quickly is because the winds are very strong out of the east-northeast at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. In the meantime, we're watching this area out here. It's just a broad area of low pressure, and you can see that over the next couple of days it's going to continue to spin off here just off the coast of Miami, and it will be responsible for some rains that are going to be coming on in throughout the weekend and upping our rain chances beginning on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But in the meantime, we've got high pressure that's over the southeastern part of the country, and that's helping to bring about some drier conditions for our area. So as a result, we are going to be seeing some drying conditions starting tomorrow, with our rain chances down to about a 20 to 30% chance. 81 degrees for us right now. Dew point now at 71 degrees. The humidity is at 72%, and the winds are east-northeast at 17 miles per hour, and they're going to stay on the strong side throughout the rest of the afternoon. And you may have noticed this morning when you walked out the door, it was a little more comfortable out there, and that's because the dew points around the area have also been coming down. Right now they're starting to climb back up, so it's becoming less comfortable and feeling a little bit more muggy as well. Temperatures around the state mostly in the 80s. You can see along the west coast of Florida we're in the low 80s right now because of the cloud cover. At this time we normally would see an 84, 85 degree reading. We were expecting to top out at about 89 degrees, but that's not likely to happen as long as those clouds stick around. So if you're in Palmetto or Ellington or Parrish, you're seeing temperatures right around 82 degrees. And then down to the south, we're looking at Siesta Key, 81, 82 in Osprey, and all the way through Port Charlotte, 82, 80 degrees in Harbor Heights and Punta Gorda at 81 degrees. And I had to show you this because they are getting snow across the northwestern part of the country. See this across the area of Montana. They're starting to see some snow coming on in. Temperatures here across the nation in the 30s right now across the northwest, 30s, 40s, and even some 50s. The northeast seeing temperatures at this hour in the 60s and 70s, and we're seeing that cooler weather across the state of Florida only because of the clouds. Small craft advisories are in effect if you're heading on out to the beach today. Winds will be 15 to 20 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop, and the temperature at the Gulf may only get up to 85 degrees if you're heading to the beach. We are expecting to see some showers developing a little bit later on as well. So for the rest of today, we can expect to see breezy conditions with a 40% chance of rain. We may have to check that 89 degree reading though. May not do that. We are looking at 20 to 30% chances of rain on Wednesday and Thursday. Then we up those chances just in time for the start of the weekend.